Oi, tetap keep ini jong.
One is done, so I do it another one.
What are
Oh,
you?
bro, you're coming.
Yes.
I know, bro. I just wrote a lyrics, bro. Do you want me to freestyle about you, bro? To hear that, what is the meaning of music?
Okay. Can you freestyle for me?
Yes, bro. I can, bro. Just listen, bro.
Okay.
You will give me words and then I will spit it, bro. Okay.
Okay.
I'm not that good like a professional, like Eminem, like what
No,
else?
no.
Eminem, MGK, Dr. Dre. I'm not like that, bro, because I'm just starting, bro. Okay.
Yes, I know this is a training, no?
Okay, bro. Are you ready, bro?
Oh yes, sure. I'm ready.
Yo, hey.
Who make that trap?
No, bro. This track is giving me to by the beat killer. He give me this track. He give me the permission. I will do the freeze track. Yeah. Hey, bro. I just want to ask you. I just want to know what is your name? Eh? Can you tell me your name so I can speed it? When you tell me your name so it make a hit. Okay, bro.
Mash bun.
What?
Mash bun.
Run like I feel like I walk, like I feel like I walk. Every time when I see you, always run. When you tell me your name, you said it's Massbone. Okay, I will go into another flow. I'm not so good like the Big Show, like a big shot, the Eminem, the rap god. When you know that, it's so fraud. I will try to spit into the rhyme like this. I'm gonna get to what your energy. It may be this one, unless you're the memory. It is a mumble, I don't know how to pronounce. But this one time you will get to be the pronoun. A singular, the plural, the English, the Hindi. I don't know, when I came here, I have to talk in chassis. But that is the problem, I don't know how to talk. Yo, hey, thank you for letting me in. Thank you for helping me. God will bless you. Hey, He will see. That is all I want to talk about you. Thank you, bro. Thank you, man.
This is the music is.
Yes.
You are so talented.
I have told you now what is the music is. When you enjoy, you will feel enjoy, bro.
When you rap like Eminem.
No, bro. No, bro. Don't.
It doesn't like Eminem, but it's little bit.
Thank you, bro. Appreciate it, bro. But I try, bro. Every time I practice, but Eminem is my
Give it up, bro.
Inspiration.
Give it up.
Inspiration, bro.
Give it up,
He's
bro.
my motivation. He is my idol, bro. I like Eminem when he rap that. What's some? Yeah, some gotta be the destiny. You wanna be the everything. You gotta be the energy. That rap is so speed, bro.
Yeah,
it is like I'm counting. Yo, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I don't know, bro, to rap like that.
Okay.
So how is your work, bro, going?
It's working well. So
Bro.
have you take lunch?
Oh no, bro. Right now that I didn't feel any hungry, bro, because I love when I start to walk to recording. I love it, bro. I focus only that. I don't know how to get hungry like that, bro.
Okay, I'll go there first. Okay.
Okay, bro.
Okay.
Do you still have this, bro? Because I love it. At first I taste it get me dizzy, bro, but now I love it, bro.
This kwai.
Yes, yeah. Oh,
Okay.
kwai. Okay, bro. Kwai or what?
Kwai.
Kwai. Okay, bro.
Okay, give it up, bro. Okay.
What about this lime, bro? I should eat more or less?
It has as you can.
No, bro. If I eat much, what about you? You eat all of this?
No.
You take like this, no, bro.
Oh yes.
Okay, bro. Thank you, bro.
Because this is the missing.
Oh, from now.
Without this, it doesn't come bread.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Okay, bro. I got it.
Mixing. But this is very dangerous.
This one.
If you take more kwai, then your teeth also it will.
It will ruin.
Yes.
Okay, I understand, bro. Because bro, before my tooth is really in pain.
Okay.
When I eat this, bro, I didn't feel pain anymore.
Okay. Okay, bro. Okay, ma.
Yes, bro. Okay, bro. Thank you, bro.
Okay. Bye. Iya, mas tata Nigro wae.
Tema.
Ya pengal kartu tự mình English vào chắc chắc tờ vay tu nó tay yang ngã này đi ông họ vay tay yang ngã đó thế master vay KPR jawab pun morwai.
Ngaten ndak belum telat usinten.
Te we pun di perlo nga ongge te mesti jan ngada lai. Lai ko wa.
Lai go wa.
We di saat ya ro. Pe pun yung dia chai pe. Kepre na.
Em
Amre. Ngayo iya pa bisa.
pa yun. Tentu kan.
Terus aku rek itu ke muna di uru sulah thadot cepet di wilayah. Hanya aku lam tahu perlu ma. Krek itu dah yuk di kelam aku jak ma. Bro.
Oh, yo, bro. Good morning. Oh, actually, bro, do you know my name?
I don't know your name.
Oh,
I didn't ask your name.
okay, it's okay, bro.
What is your name?
My name is Harry, bro.
Harry.
Harry Mac, yes.
Harry Mac.
Yes, bro, yes.
Yes, my name Masbon. You know, no?
Yeah, I know. You
Yeah,
have
you
told
know,
me
yes.
yesterday.
Masbon.
Masbon.
Okay,
bro.
You
got
Harry Mac.
it. Yes, Harry Mac.
Okay, I will to tell you something because we have because my friend
What's wrong with you, bro? Okay, bro, relax first, relax.
my friend they told me to go to Goa.
Oh,
Because
we
we will-
have called you to get ready now.
Oh, I have to ready, then we will go to Goa.
Okay, bro.
We will travel. We will go there and visit there.
I mean, it is for your project or what, bro?
No, not project because we just visiting. No, visiting Goa.
Okay,
Ah.
you mean that from your office is a vacation like that? Oh, what?
Oh yes. Oh, you have cut your hair.
Oh yes, bro. I want to be local like you, bro. Someone is calling me, bro. Excuse me. Check phone.
Okay, before it is very turning.
Yeah.
But have you straight it?
Yes, bro. I straight it in the barber there.
Okay. Now you look so good.
Yes.
Handsome.
I'm looking like a local, right?
Yes, you're looking like a local.
Okay, bro. Now you will go now or what, bro?
I will go now because my wife she's prepare everything. Then okay, bro. You can stay here. If you want to go home, then you can call me.
Okay, bro. Me too, bro. I'll go and change first.
Okay, bro.
Okay, bro.